So we all discuss with respect to plant location, that what is plant location and or say facilities of location, and what were the factors in terms of selecting plant location. So facility of location. So this is the place where you actually planning to build in your manufacturing unit or say a business unit. So what are the factors we discussed? The main factors to summarize are raw materials, proximity to market, labors, climatic conditions, government policies, taxation policies, and exchange rates. If it is a global expansion, if you're as a business unit, you are planning to expand your business into a global platform, then the exchange rate and all other factors, the currency risks, all will come into a picture. So that's what we discussed in detail in last two classes, or say last two sessions. Okay, so what is the procedure like before we have to, now we know what are the factors which would affect our business unit or say a selection of plant location. So now there are some a pre-work or say a homework which has to be done by, or say a prior analysis has to be done in terms of business and business unit in order to select any facility location. So let's see what are the steps in terms of, or say the criteria need to be followed or say adopted before we select into a facility location. So first one is, we need to decide on the criteria for evaluating location alternatives. See here, we need to decide with respect to what we are into, like what is the industry we are, whether we are manufacturing industry or whether we are service industry, or whatever it is. So we need to decide upon, depending upon our requirement, we need to set a criteria for evaluating that what are the factors are most important for us in terms of selecting location alternatives. Okay, moving ahead, we have identify important factors. So we need to identify the important factors which are relevant to us. We know, we have studied in overall that what are the important factors impact in terms of selection of facility location. Okay, so later on that we know what are the important factors for us in terms of my business unit. Okay, so first we need to identify what are the important factors for us. Yes, and develop a location alternatives. So this is what, see, we need to select, or we need to in sort of this point is, you need to develop, in the sense you need to focus on the locations where you want to plan, or say developing alternative locations for you. Say example, we have as a business unit, we have an idea in terms of, or say a plan in terms of establishing ourselves in different areas. So I would say north, south, east, west zone. So you have four different areas planning you have. So based on that, you might select different four different areas. So that is what, develop location alternatives. Okay, so once you decided, plan location A, B, and C and D, depending upon your interest or say your survey, that we have to decide. Then moving ahead, evaluate the alternatives. So how we have to evaluation or analysis that which is suitable for our business, which is the most benefited plant location, or which gives most economic benefits for us as a business unit, that we need to have an analysis with respect to all the alternatives which we have planned in terms of building our manufacturing unit. Okay, so at last we have make a decision and select the location. This is what is the last. So first we have to decide on the criteria what we are evaluating, and identify the important factors, develop location alternatives, and evaluate the alternatives. So here comes a very important aspect. So how we are going to evaluate the alternatives, on what basis the analysis is done in order to select the right, or say economically benefit, which gives us all the economic benefits in terms of manufacturing unit. Economic benefits in terms, main is market share, cost, like cost oriented, with is less manufacturing cost. Yes. And then we have the raw materials. Yes. Okay, so this is the main aspect, in terms of any business. Is any business we establish in the perspective of earning profit. Okay, so how we earn a profit? When we have a large volume of production, when we have a large volume of production, we need a great market share in terms of selling our product to our customers. So that's how, this is a pattern. Like, we need to know how the evaluation or the analysis takes place is depending upon certain methods, which we need to calculate, or say have an analysis in terms of which is the best suitable plant for our unit. Okay, so as now we need to know we need to study what are the methods of evaluating the plant location. Okay, so methods, techniques for, or say techniques for selecting facility location. Okay, so we have, first one is cost volume analysis, which analyzes with respect to the cost and the cost incurred and volume being produced, or say a demand being produced in any business units. Okay, factor rating method. Depending upon the factors of what you are weighted in terms of your business, based on that we will be analyzing the different alternatives. And center of gravity method we have, and we have transportation models. Today we will be studying first two, which is cost volume analysis and factor rating methods. These are the four major. You have still more available, but let's these are the four major and basic in terms of methods of selecting facility location.